For some investors, it doesn't matter how much the Cardano ecosystem is vying to scale and offer greater benefits. The slew of partnerships and expansions do not matter to them. It's more like boring narratives. All they care about is the 88 cryptocurrency and its potency to being a millionaire maker coin. It is safe to say they do not know what seems insignificant is a remarkable pace setter. This is not a strategy to impose the little things matter narrative on them. It's just a push for them to give Cardano some credit regardless of the 88 coin price. One of the most intriguing aspects of the crypto world is the story of the unlikely millionaires it has birthed. These fortunate few, whether through faith, luck, or a mix of both, have seen their investments multiply exponentially. Recently, according to reports, an anonymous token holder, known for turning an investment in Dogecoin into $80 million, has made a substantial purchase in Hedgehog. He is famously known for converting a modest investment into a staggering $80 million fortune. It's normal to ask, but what does this holder know that we don't? Dogecoin, the meme coin turned legitimate crypto asset and Elon Musk's favorite, has seen a meteoric rise, turning many of its early adopters into millionaires. It is indeed a mind-blowing investment, but clad with disastrous qualities. Do not forget that. Currently, everyone seems to be following his or her heart. Investors are now going all in for what seems to work according to their perspective, which includes heart-melting opportunities such as becoming a crypto millionaire. However, beyond sentiment, several reasonable decisions need to be made. Which would you prefer? A permanent recovery of crypto and its all-time highs, or a short-term launch into millionaires? The financial expert, investor, and nonfiction writer mostly famous for his book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, has taken to Twitter to talk about Bitcoin again after a break. This time, he asserted that a crash landing for the global economy is coming, and spoke in favor of Bitcoin and other hedges against the economic collapse he has been expecting to happen since 2020. Bitcoin is the best insurance, Robert Kiyosaki stated. He believes that a crash landing is coming, or rather than a soft landing or a hard landing, as others many believe. Of course, he added that he hopes to be wrong though. Soft landing, hard landing, or crash landing? I say crash landing. I hope I'm wrong, yet this is what I believe. Corruption is high and leaders are corrupt. Buy gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Still best insurance against corruption and incompetence. Simply put, Kiyosaki is offering what seems to be best from his perspective. Of course, some people share the same opinion, but it's important to note that so far, Bitcoin has not been spared from trouble. Kiyosaki has been a vocal Bitcoin advocate since 2020. Before that, he had just been stocking up on Bitcoin behind the scenes. But he began actively tweeting about it 3 years ago when the pandemic kicked off and global central banks following the Federal Reserve began printing trillions to support their economies. At the end of April, Robert Kiyosaki commented on the consecutive closure of several regional banks in the US: Silvergate, Silicon Valley Bank, Signature Bank, First Republic Bank, and others. Some of them have been working with the crypto exchanges and blockchain companies. Overall, more than 10 banks were shut down with their assets sold. Kiyosaki referred to the regional banks as the heart and soul of the economy, and he added that the banking crisis was affecting jobs in other companies. Did you notice anything in particular? No matter how hard Kiyosaki predicts the crash of the US and the global economy, his choice of haven remains unchanged: Bitcoin, gold, and silver. He stated recently that if gold crashes to $1,000, it will just drive him to buy more of it. He even expects Bitcoin to move towards the $100,000 price level. Kiyosaki is being logical about his choice of haven, but does that mean that cryptocurrencies like Cardano have nothing to offer? Remarkably, cryptocurrency has become one of the most popular investment options in recent years, and 2023 is set to be an important year for the crypto market, even though we're inching close to the mid-year. Institutional investors are increasingly entering the space, with the industry maturing and regulatory frameworks becoming clearer. And of course, investing in cryptocurrencies requires extensive research and due diligence. The crypto market is volatile and unpredictable, and it is important to invest in only what you can afford to lose. In the same vein, Cardano is a relatively new cryptocurrency that has quickly gained popularity due to its unique features. A proof-of-stake blockchain requiring significantly less energy to operate compared to Bitcoin's proof-of-work consensus mechanism was indeed a quality that melted several hearts upon its arrival in the industry. Cardano in of itself is designed to be more scalable and secure than other cryptocurrencies. It uses a layered architecture that separates the settlement layer from the computation layer, which can increase its transaction throughput and reduce the risk of security breaches. Regardless of the turbulent state of the crypto industry, there are positive market indicators which suggest that Cardano ADA as a cryptocurrency that investors should keep an eye on for potential long-term growth and investment opportunities. Recently, according to TapTools, a Cardano-based analytics platform, Cardano has seen a surge in its social engagements in the last 7 days. This looks good, as social analytics platform Lunar Crush highlighted a surge in Cardano's social activity. Lunar Crush declared Cardano the coin of the day as a top social performance. Perhaps Cardano's rise in social engagement might have been reinforced by an increase in discussions regarding its ecosystem. Lately, Cardano has been experiencing a plethora of ecosystem developments and new releases. Cardano Node version 8.0.0, which brings a new governance action that facilitates conducting on-chain SPO polls, has been released. Also, the release of the first mainnet-compatible node version of its scaling solution Hydra was a big boom. Lace 1.0, which brings several improvements and features for a better experience, also saw its debut. With the new releases, users will be able to recover their wallets using a 12 or 15-word recovery phrase and view the price of the available native tokens. And something interesting happened as well. Cardano saw a wave of meme coin mania as discussions regarding the newly launched Cardano-based meme coin SNEC increase. The Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, got so curious about the attention that the meme coin generated, and he tweeted, "What the heck is this SNEC thing that people keep tweeting about?" Later, he emphasized that he does not personally own any NFTs and he has never been asked to promote an NFT project, which suggests that he was just having fun drawing from the recent meme mania in the market. However, the Cardano community gave varied responses to his tweet, with some posting GIF images of snakes. A Twitter user shared a meme that the Cardano founder was holding on to Cardano meme coin season. Others replied, "Meme coin season is upon us, and this time Cardano has delivered with SNEC." Meme coin season is in full steam on Cardano too, another Twitter user reacted. This is not a surprise as meme coins have been drawing a great deal of attention lately. Remember that frog-themed Pepe meme token shot into prominence, even rising to the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization? That's a prime example. SNEC, the newly launched meme coin, describes itself as the chillest meme coin on Cardano. A new evolution seems to be springing up in the Cardano ecosystem, which has fewer meme coins than Ethereum. Hosky token, Cardano's first ever meme coin, was created due to the lack of low-quality meme tokens in the Cardano ecosystem, and probably a team saw that such a great need existed and sought to fill the gap. But as expected of a meme coin, the Hosky token has no fundamental value. But that's not the point. Frankly stated, accumulating millions from a meme coin is a big trap. Furthermore, Cardano is gallantly climbing the DeFi ladder. Cardano has surpassed several chains such as Bitcoin and EOS, while ahead of Cardano in the DeFi rankings are Clayton, Ultron, Phantom, and others. 88 Will tweeted, "Cardano DeFi TVL up to 16th, 10 million from the top 15 and less than 2x to top 10. Some of the biggest dApps are still preparing for launch and most TVLs are denominated or paired against ADA. My body is ready." ADA Will further unveiled his excitement as he shared a screenshot of Cardano sitting in the 16th place. He noted that the growth comes even though as the biggest dApps are yet to launch, and the TVL is mostly denominated in ADA, which is currently down 88% from its all-time high, but the recent developments could be likely triggers. Cardano ADA is indeed a millionaire maker coin, but beyond the returns it can offer, its fundamentals are screaming bullish. Perhaps we should learn to appreciate the little wins before expecting much. Survival is equally key, and so many coins have been swayed by the crypto storm, but Cardano remains positioned for further growth. There are so many definitions for Haven assets, but if you take a closer look, Cardano is looking more like it. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on subscribe and notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.